Welcome to Ryla's vlog. Today, Ryla's gonna show you. Yes, it's snowing so hard, guys. Look. Oh no, there's a snowstorm. Right, Rylo? What's that? Oh, he's got a balloon. Oh, guys, you better drive safely, guys. There's a snowstorm coming. Bye, guys. Stay warm. Bye, Rylo. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Snow.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Snow.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Snow. Drive safely. Stay warm, guys. Whoa. Rylo's so amazed looking in the snow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6, 7, 8,
9.
10. Awesome.
Whoa.
What's that? Yay! Make a snowman. Make a snowman.
Okay, boy. Boy.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you later, alligator.